Hello viewer, we are using the designs, explore the shapes here. I will take another shape, so we will take it and attractive features there. So there it is, keep on editing and paint there. So let's use the razor tool. Now we will use a paint for it. Here is a pattern stem and make another design similar with it. So use a pen tool shape for it, choosing the different designs, create an angle. So there we go. Thank you for watching.